the missing box that was slowing India. Hello friends, I am Alok Oak and you're watching Yuga Sir. Let me tell you a simple story. A small exporter in India receives a big order from Europe. The goods are ready, the quality is perfect and the buyer is waiting. But there is one problem. There is no container that is available. The shipment gets delayed, freight cost goes up and the buyer becomes uncertain. And this is not the problem of one exporter. This is the story of India's foreign trade today. When we talk about exports, we think about factories, products and markets. But the global trade runs on one simple thing, that is shipping containers. Today, India faces a serious shortage of containers. Our annual need is 3 lakh containers, while our production is only 10,000 to 30,000 containers per annum. This is a huge gap. Because of this shortage, exporters wait for weeks, freight rate increases, and there is a delay in deliveries. And the result is India loses competitiveness. And the biggest concern is we depend heavily on the imported containers, mostly from China. And the global crisis makes it more worse. Then came another shock, the Red Sea crisis. Ships had to avoid regions and travel around the Cape of Good Hope. This increased travel time, reduced container availability and pushed freight rates even higher. Export bookings started getting delayed by 1 to 2 weeks. India's supply chain was under pressure. And then came the turning point, Budget 2026. And this is where the story changes. In the Union Budget 2026, the government took a bold and practical step. A 10,000 crore container manufacturing assistance scheme that has been announced for the next 5 years. The target is powerful. Produce 10 lakh containers every year in India. This is not just a policy. This is building the backbone of India's trade system. What will change? The scheme will support manufacturers through production-linked incentives, capital support for new factories, assured demand from shipping and leasing companies, cost support to make Indian containers competitive. And why this matters? If India produces containers at scale, exporters will get containers on time, freight cost will get stabilized, ports will function more efficiently, dependence on China will reduce, and supply chain disruptions will be controlled. And most importantly, India will control its own logistics. And the bigger message is, containers may look simple metal boxes, but in global trade, they carry factories, they carry jobs, and they carry growth. So, now India has decided that these boxes will be made in India. This is more than just a budget allocation. It's a step towards stronger exports, a shield against global disruptions, a move towards supply chain independence. Because remember, a country that depends on others for logistics cannot lead global trade. And a country that builds its own logistics builds its own economic future. This is Atmanirbhar Bharat in action. And a country that builds its own logistics builds its own economic future. This is Atmanirbhar Bharat in action. Jai Hind.